Here we are wrapping up this proud trucker wife hat, and as you can see, I'm doing something kind of interesting here where I actually have some heat transfer vinyl that we've actually appliqued on with our embroidery machine. Let me show you how this is done. So my name is Mark from ColDesi, and I want to show you how we created this cap that we just took off of our Avance embroidery machine, this proud trucker wife, and we've done this really cool design where we've inlaid some glitter vinyl to kind of create an applique using our Avance embroidery machine and some supplies from ColDesi.com. So let's go ahead and take a look. So here we are looking at the Avance 1501. This is the 2020 model, and we're sewing out a trucker design. The cap that we're sewing out here is a snapback trucker cap. This can be found on ColDesi.com, and the part number is a C112. This is definitely one of the more popular caps out right now. A couple cool features about the machine that we really like to talk about is really this new LCD screen here. You can match up all the colors of your thread, you can watch it sew out live, and a ton of functions in there. A few of the highlighted features of the Avance: it's got an 800 design memory. There are 28 onboard fonts, so you can actually do lettering right on the machine without a computer. All right, the next thing we're going to do is we've sewn out our lettering, and I've got a piece of this glitter heat transfer vinyl. So this is a silver Triton, and you can find this on ColDesi.com, the same place you can find this cap. And you can also find this tempo spray. This is a temporary adhesive spray. And this is really simple. We cut out a piece of this silver heat transfer vinyl, and I'm just gonna lift up a little corner just so I have something to grab onto. And we're going to shake our spray and just give a light spray over here. Do it away from your embroidery machine. What this is gonna do is gonna allow it to stick to the hat a bit. So let me show you what we do next. We're just going to peel off I've got a small little scrap piece of this heat transfer vinyl, and we've got the tempo on the back, so it's got a little bit of a tackiness to it, and there's going to be a heart right here, and we want to actually fill it with glitter. So the way we do that is we actually just temporarily adhere it just like this. And you can see it overlaps the letters just a bit, that's fine. The tip here is just get it as smooth as you can. And if you find it's bubbling in areas, you can even do a little rip on the end and so it'll help fold over and meet the curve of the cap. Once this is ready to go, we're going to go ahead and hit start, and it'll start sewing again. So our design's all sewn out, and now we do the cool fun part where we're actually going to weed this vinyl off, and it will it's self-perforated, so check this out. And the next step we'll do is we'll actually weed out inside the word wife here, and we'll put it on a heat press. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. So time to take our cap off of our cap frame. Pretty easy. I also have a pair of tweezers with me. I'll show you what we're doing here. So again, on ColDesi.com, we used a royal thread. We used a Triton Heat Transfer Vinyl. I've got these really fine point tweezers, which are one of my favorites for doing some detailed work. We use the tempo spray that I showed you before. And then what we recommend on a trucker cap like this is a pretty tough cap, so use a sharp needle, and you can find those online as well. So all we're gonna do here is you could do this with tweezers or your hands. We're gonna just weed out the word wife, and it comes out pretty easily. Just like that. Really, normally with vinyl, I'm kind of a do-it-by-hand type of a person. I just prefer that. But the tweezers do look pretty cool. when you have an audience. All right, so once we get all these pieces out, as you can see, there's going to be some roaming glitter. What we're going to want to do is take a nice stiff brush or even a toothbrush and just go ahead and brush it over. But we don't want to do that yet, because this vinyl here that's our background is still a little bit vulnerable. So I'm going to take this and bring it over to our cap heat press. So I've got a cap heat press here. We're going to go ahead and have it on a medium to kind of low pressure. One of the things we don't want to do in a trucker cap like this is, because this is a nice stiff material, if we put a ton of pressure on here without any protection, we're going to put a really nice seam in there. Not a seam, I should say, a crease right there. And it's just not going to look as clean and nice. So we're going to do some things to help prevent that. One is make sure we don't have too much pressure, so medium, kind of medium low. I leave the cap backing in. What I like about that is it actually helps to keep this out of the way so I can get nice even pressure. I'll put that in just like this. You see it kind of lines up nice and easy. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I've got this flexible finishing sheet right here. And you can get this at the same place with the hat and everything else at Coleman & Company. And I'm going to do 2 layers by just folding it in half. So by doing this, it's going to, this is got a, it's soft, it'll help absorb and prevent that crease happening here. And then we'll go ahead and heat press it. And I'm going to go ahead and just kind of feel for that pressure. If it's a little too much pressure, you go ahead and go into your heat press and reduce that just a bit until you get it. There we go. So we've got no line here, no crease. It's nice and hot still. If it didn't get hot for you, do it for 15 or 20 seconds, depending on your heat press and your temperature and all that stuff. But you can go ahead and check this by also trying to lift a little bit of it up. And if you could lift it up with your fingernail, then just slightly put it back in place and go ahead and put it on your heat press for 10 more seconds. But now it's time to wrap it up. We'll remove our backing, tearaway backing. We're using 2 sheets. We'll remove that, we'll brush this up, and we'll show you the finished product. Thanks for checking out our video with this Proud Trucker Wife design that we have, and the design's actually available for free on ColmanandCompany.com with a ton of other designs that we've created for you to use to support folks in your community, including the folks that bring all things like this hat and thread and all that, the truckers out there. So this Proud Trucker Wife cap brought to you by the Avance embroidery machine. So be sure to call ColDesi and talk to your Avance pros about what package is right for your embroidery business.